The Letting Quarter are proud sponsors of the Triangle Garden Initiative in the heart of Hitchin, helping bring communities together through nature. Triangle Community Garden's mission is to help people of all ages and abilities connect, grow and enjoy through gardening and contact with the natural world. It's truly a place where the community thrives together. The community garden has something to offer for everyone. They run a range of projects and activities, each using the restorative qualities of gardening and nature to make a positive impact on people's lives. To find out more about the initiative and to get involved in their upcoming events and gardening sessions, please refer to their website.